Oh my gosh, Jess is so poor guy. Jeez, guy, you should not buy a white cat. Maybe you should do better thing like white cat. Hey guys, we're doing a try not to laugh challenge. So yeah, let's just watch the video.
Hi there, everybody.
Oh, stupid. What the? Okay. Oh, so cute. That's creepy. Oh no! Okay. Not laughing. Not laughing. Okay, I'm done. Sorry. Aww. Gosh.
No.
The cat is naughty. Oh no. What the? Oh, so cute. Hey little fella, how are you? Oh. That's a wiggle wiggle, right? You say, I believe I can fly. Oh no, shit. I accidentally. No, shut up, little kitty. Is it this part? No, it's not this part. No. Probably. That is funny. Okay, I'm not laughing. Okay, let's go. I'm not loving it.
What the hell are you looking at? Jesus!
I'm just laughing because my sister was so funny in like the last week. So yeah. Yo, that's so beautiful. Wow. Oh my gosh. What is the cat doing? Oh, the tail. Oh, wait, what's the cat doing? Yo, that's not funny. Is it 9 cat?
You have very big freaking legs, man.
Oh.
I didn't mean to.
Okay, what is this? I'm not laughing. Just some exercise for my laughing condition. Oh, okay, I'm good. Let's do this.
Why are you such a bitch?
Wait a second.
Cat scared of hacky sack?
Let's find out.
Yo. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Oh no, the dog! No! Whoa, the cat is like.
That big fat butt. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Yo, that's so good. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wait, how does it do that? Yo, that really hurts. Yo, cat fight. Oh my gosh. What the? No! Wait. Yo. How does freaking animals do that?
Paul? Base 5? Bang.
Coming down the slide hot, simmer and go. Simmer braces for it. Shot. Sir!
not laughing.
Sam!
Yo. What is this doing? Is this like a fashion show? No, no, kitty!
Oh, kitty, I love you so much, beautiful cat. You're so perfect.
Don't be mean to her.
Oh, mirror. Yo. Kitty. No!
Don't touch it.
Police coming straight from the under.
What's this? What the? Oh my god, poor kitty! Omegle.com.
I know what you're thinking. Wrong.
Oh, I know this. This is
Okay,
a
there is a cat in the hat.
stupid kitten. Not laughing. Not laughing.
You slick, huh?
Get your ass on my damn milk.
Not laughing.
My fellow Americans, there is Ebola in America, which means we are screwed.
Oh, hey there, little girl. Want to go for a swim?
Wait, is he gonna throw it? No. No way. Oh my gosh, that is so freaking dangerous. Oh my gosh. Are you saying wow?
Wait. But first, let me take a selfie.
Oh no, wait. It's running away. Sorry, guys.
Cause I'm a stupid fucking cat and I don't know shit. I think I'll run around for no good reason.
Check it, ha, smack him.
Yo.
Bitch!
That hurts.
200 damn voicemails and you still ain't call me back? That's okay, because I followed you home. Nigga,
How does cats do that? That's so cool. Ooh. Oh, it's finished. Wait, pause it. How do you pause this thing? Oh, there. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and leave a